Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to call to order this called meeting of the Arlington Independent School District Board of Trustees for July 1st, 2021, beginning at 5 p.m. Due to health and safety concerns related to the COVID-19 coronavirus, members of the public are encouraged to participate by watching the school board meeting online at AISD.net. One or more trustees may participate in this meeting via electronic means consistent with the Texas Open Meetings Act and governor's disaster proclamations related to COVID-19 through proclamations, executive orders, and suspensions of Texas law. At least a quorum of the board will be participating in person or by video conference or telephone conference in accordance with the provisions of sections 501.125, 501.127 of the Texas Government Code that is suspended by the order of the governor. Members of the public may access the meeting via AISD website at AISD.net. We will start our meeting with opening ceremony. Please join Dr. Cavazos and lead us in the pledge.
Join me in the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. You may be seated. Please silence all cell phones, electronic devices to avoid disruptions around you, and please join me in a moment of silence. Thank you. Now we come to our forum for agenda items. As stated on the posted agenda, members of the public who desire to address the board regarding an item are required to register by sending an email to the superintendent of schools, Secretary L. Benjamin at AISD.net no later than 3 p.m. the day of the meeting. Ms. Benjamin, do we have any requesters registered to the board regarding agenda items?
No, sir. We have no registered requested speakers for either forum.
Awesome. Thank you, Ms. Benjamin. Tonight we have one item. We are coming in on a special exception. I appreciate staff coming in as we come up to this 4th of July holiday. This is an important item for us to vote. Tonight we'll be considering this item under consent agenda, and I think it's Ms. Moss we have coming up. Ms. Moss?
Sorry, Mr. Hogg.
It's all right.
Trustees, Dr. Cavazos, we have one item for your consideration tonight. We've given you all the information in your packet regarding this item. We'd be glad to answer any questions that you have regarding it.
Thank you, Ms. Moss. At this time, is there a motion or any discussion? Do we have a motion?
I'll make the motion that we accept the agenda item.
Do I have a second?
Second.
I have a motion by Ms. Fowler and a second to accept the consent agenda, which includes one item 2158. Is there any further discussion? Seeing none, please vote. Five trustees present, 5 trustees voting in the affirmative. Ms. Mays and Dr. Reich are out of town. With that, we come to a forum for open non-agenda items. Ms. Benjamin, just to confirm, you said there were no speakers for non-agenda items? Yes, sir. Thank you. At this time, any other items? Is there any superintendent reports?
No report.
Awesome. Any school board reports? Ms. Secretary, do we have any items to consider? And I'm guessing that's a no.
It's a no.
Awesome. At this time, it is 5:04 p.m. and we're adjourned.